The commonality within all of those who decided to join and become part of iCare is they wanted to make a difference. The very first iCare assembly that we ever did, the focus was the theme of we all have a place to belong here at Colony. And this forged that brand new place that I don't think pre-existed, because within that they found worth. And when you find worth within yourself and that your skills matter and that your voice matters, and then when you put those voices and skills together into a collective unit, great change can be made.
You grab one out of the glove. What one? There you go, good job. Thank you.
First and foremost, it's a place that they can come and feel welcome and at home. And it is a way for them to be involved. Not everyone is an athlete per se, or is in drama, or has a hard time finding their niche, but they can come to iCare and feel that way and feel welcome.
It makes everyone feel involved in some way, and it always gives someone a purpose. If they don't have a sport they do, they come to a club and we get everyone involved.
You feel your impact on the community and how you bring so many people together to have a positive experience. And seeing the little kids' faces coming to Raider Fest and Halloween High, it just makes you happy you're part of something bigger than yourself.
I think it has empowered them to understand how in the civic world they are able to be community-centered, but also make sure that they can make waves when they feel there needs to be a voice that needs to be heard.
We partner with outside organizations and foundations. At the end of the year, then we present them with whatever we've raised.
The events is what makes me really feel like I'm making a difference, because you do all this work in school and making sure all the events are set up for the future, that when the event actually happens, you feel your impact on the community and how you bring so many people together.
We do a lot of volunteer work and we're doing a lot of that stuff, and that's obviously super important because it's always we're always giving towards something, and that's kind of our goal here, especially with high school. We always want to be able to help people, because helping other people, and then it's good karma is always going to come back.
Just believing that we are all here as Colony grads, or all here as Colony community members, and we have each other's back. And you see that sometimes in our most dire moments, and you see that even in days like today when we're celebrating Spirit Week. It really brings that cohesiveness and that collective nature together, and that's something special and to be proud of.